So welcome back here. Today's question is this one. This question is very simple if you know the logic. But what is the logic involved in it? Really listen carefully. What the given question is, let P be a polynomial in which all coefficients are non-negative integers. All coefficients are non-negative integers. And also P of 1 value is 4 and P of 5 value is 152. Then find P of 2020. That is the question. So this is the hint. P is a polynomial and all the coefficients are non-negative integers. Non-negative integer means what are the coefficients should be? The coefficients should be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the coefficients. And also P of 1 is equal to 4 given. P of 1 is equal to 4 and also the coefficients are non-negative means the coefficient should be up to coefficient should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Alright? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. The coefficient should be. Why? Because P of 1 value is 4 means what is the meaning of this one? If I substitute the 1, I am getting the 4 here. Since the coefficient are the non-negative, so all coefficient in polynomial the coefficient all coefficients should be positive only. So that's why the sum of the coefficient should be 4. So that's why the all coefficient possible coefficient should be 4 or less than 4 only, not more than 4. It is not possible more than 4 the coefficients. So that's why P of 1 is equal to 4 and non-negative integer. This is the big hint for this question here. Non-negative coefficients are non-negative integers and P of 1 is equal to 4 means all coefficients should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Where we are getting these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits means in base 5 system these are the digits we are using. So the base number system is linked to polynomials in this question. That is the logic here. So the second thing, P of 5 is equal to 152 given. So that's why I will express this 152 in base 5 form, so that I will get the polynomial. So 152 in base 5 system. 3 5s are 15 and 0, 2 is the remainder. Then 5 table 6 5s are 30, remainder is 0. Then 5 table 1 5s are 1, remainder is 1. Therefore 152 can be written as 1102 base 5. That means in expanded form it can be written as 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. That means 1 into 5 cube. In decimal expansion form I will 1 into 5 square plus 0 into 5 power 1 plus 2 into 5 power 0. This is the decimal expansion of this base 5 form. So P of 5 value is this one. Therefore if I keep n is equal to 5, therefore in place of 5 if I substitute n, then I am getting this as P of n is equal to 1 into n cube, that means n cube, 1 into n square, that is n square, plus 0, I don't want it, plus 2 into 1. So this is the required polynomial, P of n polynomial, this is the required here. So see, is it satisfied this value or not? P of 1 value. If I substitute n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 I am getting 4, P of 1 is 4. If P of n is equal to 5 I am getting P of 5 is equal to 152. Now only I proved this one. So P of 2020 we have to find out. Therefore P of 2020 is equal to 2020 whole cube plus 2020 whole square plus 2. That is the answer. If we simplify this one, we will get the P of 2020 value. That is here. How beautifully he interlinked this base 5 concept with the polynomials. That is important. So in such type of questions, that's why I am always saying that take the hint from the given question. That is the important thing. Here the hint is The coefficients are non-negative integers and P of 1 is equal to 4 is a big hint for us. Okay, so this is the question here. So tomorrow we will meet with another beautiful question. Until then, bye for like and subscribe. Bye.